In this video, we'll show you how to open the till at the start of the day and close the till at the end of the day. To open a till, log into POS, select More, Settings, Device. Ensure you've selected the correct POS device by looking at the name at the top of the screen. Next, click Current Till Session. If the POS device has an active till session, the details will be displayed here, and you can either continue with the current session or close it. If there is no active till session, click Start Till Session. All transactions will be recorded against this current till session. During the day, you can add or remove cash from the till in POS. Click the Cash In, Cash Out button. To add cash to the till, click the Cash In button, and to remove cash, select the Cash Out button. Click Submit when done. To close the till at the end of the day, click Close Till Session. You'll need to complete end-of-day reporting for your card terminal to get the total takings for the day. If you use integrated card payments, you can skip this step. Next, you'll need to count the amount that's inside the cash drawer and enter this in the field titled Cash In Till. You can use the cash calculator to add up the amounts. Click Submit once done. After the till is closed, you can print a summary of the till session. In Past Till Sessions menu, select the till session from the list, then click Print. All closed till sessions will be listed here.